welcome to our show. So tonight, we together, cooperate with English Coffee House to create the really interesting environment for you guys to practice your English experience. And if you want to practice your English skill, just come to join us. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to cooking show where you guys can gain more experience in English, right? Because we spend a lot of time on learning English and we need the environment to practice your English skill, and it's time for you guys to make it. So I would like to recommend something. Alright, so I don't want to cook alone, okay? I would like to invite two of my friends. Okay, so please give them a big applause, everyone. Okay, so please coming up to the stage, our candidates.
Do you think it's a good place for you to practice English? Yes. Okay, thank you.
Excellent. Okay, thank you.
Perfect.